I will be showing you exactly step by step on how you can do dropshipping the correct way on eBay using AliExpress as a supplier. Now, let's get started right now. Now, the reason why I use AliExpress for the past like 6 years is because with AliExpress, the prices are cheaper. Also, the shipping time has improved a lot, especially the last 2 years. The shipping time is way faster than it was like 5 years ago or 6 years ago. I have been using it for like 6 years now. Okay, so like I said, there are many advantages of using AliExpress compared to Amazon and Walmart, Lowe's. Now with AliExpress, also they don't send the product with the package with they don't send the product with the logo in the package. That's exactly what I mean. So if you get this for your client, for your customer, on like if you dropship this product, for example, you send it, it's not going to come with any logo or any AliExpress logo in it. Compared to Temu or Amazon, you will have a lot of problems with customers on eBay. They will say, "Oh, I bought this from eBay, but it came from Amazon." So that's the advantage of using AliExpress. That's why I use it. Now I have grown, or I took many stores from $0 to $10,000 a month using AliExpress. Of course, drop shipping. That's exactly why you clicked on this video. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. I will be showing you what I do myself and how you can do the exact same thing. Okay, so my strategy is finding winning product. Okay, because that's 80% of the battle. Like if you can find a winning product using the strategy that I will show you right now, you will make it on eBay dropshipping. In the next like 3 months, you will be able to hit $10,000 a month consistently. Of course, if you don't make mistakes. Of course, I will be mentioning like things you should avoid in order for your store to be stable, like so that you can make money consistently. Okay, so you go to AliExpress. Okay, just go to AliExpress. Let's watch their products, like check their products, see exactly what they are selling. Now, what you need to do is to find one of these products. Okay, just click on one of these products. Let's say that this product, an example, this product is selling right now for $8. Okay, and it has over 1,000 sold plus sold. So it means it's getting a lot of sales on AliExpress. Now, does this mean that this product is going to get sales on eBay? The answer is no, because we want to make sure that this product is going to get sales on eBay. We want to make sure that people are going to be interested on this product in this product on eBay. Now, what I'm going to do to check that is I'm going to copy the title of this AliExpress seller, just the title, and then go to eBay and then search for it. Okay, so when you search for it, see if other dropshippers will come up in the search results or not. That's the goal. It seems like a lot of dropshippers are dropshipping this product from AliExpress, just like this one. As you can see, this one. There are a lot of people that are dropshipping this exact same product. This guy is not dropshipping it from AliExpress because it's located in United Kingdom, but other dropshippers in the top all located in China. And AliExpress is a Chinese website. So this guy is basically dropshipping products from AliExpress. Now, if we click on one of these listings, for example, this, because this guy is a dropshipper from AliExpress, we can not only copy this product, we can also go to his own store, the whole store, and then we can copy other products that he is selling on eBay or the most successful listings on his store, and then we will copy them and I'm going to search for them on AliExpress and then I'm going to list them. Isn't that simple? This helps you find dropshippers. Once you find that dropshipper, you can go to their own store and then you can check which products are successful in their store. So to do that, very, very simple. When you go to the store, you click on sold items, and then this will show you all the sold items in his own store. By the way, if these products cannot help you find the dropshippers, you can also take another product. For example, I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to search for other dropshippers that are dropshipping this product because I want to check their own store to see what they are selling. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now and I'm going to search for it. As you can see, another dropshipper is dropshipping the same product located in China. As you can see, this means he is dropshipper and the product on AliExpress is selling for $24 and he is selling it for $33.93, which is not good. Like profit, probably is making around like $5 profit on this product. It's not bad either. Okay, if you can sell like if you can list like 1,000 products on your store, it will make sense. Okay, that's what I do myself. I always try to list a lot of products. Now I'm going to click on one of these products. As you can see, this one, if you scroll down, you will be able to see here he sold 6 items. This means people are searching, people are interested in this product on eBay. Okay, people are searching for this exact product on eBay. Okay, on AliExpress, of course, it has 800 plus sold, but it's not proven to work on eBay. But now we know that it's also working on eBay because we have seen here 6 sold. As you can see here, that means people are interested in this. Now, either of these products, like this one, this shirt, as you can see, this t-shirt, or either this jacket, this leather jacket, is working because these are like, I'm going to search, like for example, here is this title, like this exact title. I'm going to take it, copy, and then search for it on eBay. Now, as you can see, you will be able to find. I'm going to take the original title from AliExpress and I'm going to search to see if people or dropshippers are already selling this product or not. I'm going to check this one. So now you know exactly how to find the winning product. Now, listing the product on eBay is a very, very simple thing. You just need to click on sell and then you paste the title of eBay seller. By the way, this is very, very important. Okay, copy this title because it's proven to work on eBay, as you can see. But on AliExpress, it's the same title, but it's a little bit better on eBay. And there is a proof that it's better because it has 7 sales on eBay, which is what we care about. We care if people are going to be interested in this on eBay. By the way, I have taken, like I said, I took many stores from $0 to $10,000 a month. This is a new client I have. As you can see, you can just see the date. We have only listed a few products, and as you can see, he's already started selling products, which is good. Okay, he's making good profit. Just like this, I have listed this myself on his store. Now, as you can see, we can check how much this one is selling. He already sold this. It's only $5, and he has sold 2 for $35, which is good. There is a profit of around like $10. So imagine you are selling just 10 products a day, which is exactly what I go with on each store. That's $100. It's not a lot, but it helps. Okay, if you can take this seriously, you will be able to make a lot of money with this business. By the way, if you want me personally to basically do everything for you, done for you, like list the products, coach, like mentor you for the next 3 months, do live videos with you, showing you how to do it the correct way. Of course, you can always ask me every day Whenever you have time, whenever you face a problem, you can always ask me for a solution, and I'm going to help you solve your problem. This is my own Instagram. Just search for this name on Instagram. It's verified. Send me the message and let's start working. And I can show you videos of other clients reaching over $10,000 a month on Instagram. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know. I try to help. Okay, go to the comment below and tell me your question. I would be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.